One of the things I've noticed that's very important throughout my last year is what I've surrounded myself with and who I've surrounded myself with specifically. And I know we've all heard the cliches such as you're an average of your best 5 people, you're a product of your environment, and it becomes really true when you think about it. I've realized when I surround myself with successful people, people that motivate me, people that hype me up, make me feel good, everything changed. The vibe is positive and it leads me to do positive things. And that just goes with simple things like my thoughts. You surround yourself with positive thoughts, positive music, positive environment, positive everything, and that really has to change. And the same thing goes with negative thoughts and negative people. So this year I've really took a big action to surround myself with great people that kind of sharpen my saw, make me work harder, make me believe in myself more, but also the balance with the people that are going to tell me to, all right, Kahlil, get on your stuff when I've kind of gotten off path. And that balance has really worked well for me this year because I've met people that are smarter than me, that have made me smarter, have helped me. And it's cool to see people reach their goals while you're reaching your goals.